Pricey ba mag LCIF? Sagutin natin yung concern na yan. Okay. Sagutin natin tong concern na to, no? Mabilisan lang, casually, of course. I do hope that you were able to again read, no, the disclaimer para malinaw tayo na ito ay general information lang. Okay? So sagutin natin to. Is it pricey para mag-LCIF? That's his or her first question, no? Can someone enlighten me? Dagdag niya, follow-up question niya. Can someone enlighten me about OMAD and LCIF? So, sagutin natin yung first, no? Is it pricey para mag-LCIF? The price, no? How much it will cost you yung LCIF would depend on how you do LCIF. Kung ikaw tipo ng tao na needs lang ang okay na, then the price of LCIF, of doing LCIF is not that expensive. Kasi you can focus on eggs, no, and giniling. So kung ang kakainin mo lang ay egg at giniling, which is kompleto naman sa nutrition yan, no, sa nutrients yan, then hindi siya kamahalan. As long as egg, giniling, egg, giniling, egg, giniling every day. So hindi siya kamahalan. Nagmamahal ang LCIF kapag medyo maarte kang kumain. So kung ikaw yung tipo ng tao na kailangan meron kang dessert, no? Meron namang low carb dessert sa LCIF. Pero kung ikaw yung tipo ng tao na ganun, gusto mo iba-iba yung kinakain every day, masasawain ka sa egg at giniling, then, of course, may kaakibat na gastos yun. Diba? So kung basic ka lang, mura lang ang LCIF. Kung medyo maarte ka, then nagmamahal yung LCIF, of course. Okay? As for OMAD, no? Ang OMAD is 1 meal a day. It's an acronym, which means 1 meal a day. Isang beses ka lang kakain. And as for LCIF, LCIF is also an acronym, which I basically coined, no? So, low carb yung LC, and then yung IF is intermittent fasting. So, low carb and intermittent fasting. Okay?